Moving on to the core of the network itself, we have Category 3, the P2P communication protocol. The mission here is purely technical, to design the very nervous system of the PALOMA swarm. We are challenging teams to architect and document a peer-to-peer communication protocol that is secure, efficient, and, most importantly, philosophically aligned with PALOMA's completely decentralized ethos.
Like the other categories, the prize is a $1 million profit share prize. The scoring for this category, however, is unique and heavily weighted on a single, non-negotiable principle.
That's right. A massive 50 points are awarded for one thing, a fully decentralized architecture. The judges will be looking for a protocol that operates with absolutely zero single points of failure, enabling PALOMA to be a truly sovereign and resilient solution. This is the philosophical heart of the entire project, and its importance is reflected in the scoring.
The remaining 50 points are divided among critical technical and social components. There are 10 points for latency and performance, assessing how fast and efficient the protocol is under simulated network conditions. Another 10 points are for security, reliability, and robustness, which looks at the strength of encryption and authentication and how well the protocol handles network instability or message failures.
Then we have 10 points dedicated to the human story. Just like in the simulation category, this is an opportunity for the team's official marketing partner to present a compelling narrative about the team's journey, their challenges, and their breakthroughs. We want to see the human side of this deep technical work.
Finally, the last two criteria focus on usability and execution. 10 points are for open source adaptability and integration, judging whether the documentation is clear, comprehensive, and easy for other developers to adopt and build upon. And 10 points are for code completeness and quality, ensuring the code is well documented, efficient, and meets all the design specifications.